Our first program will be 10 COVID-19 facts. So let's welcome Anne and Tonya.
Oh, that's me. Okay. I'm here. Okay. Hi everyone, I'm Tonya Liu.
And I'm Yin from AAYBN.
And as you guys all know, during the past year, a deadly virus has spread around the world, infecting hundreds of millions of people.
COVID-19, or what some people call the coronavirus.
But what is COVID-19? How did it start, and how does it spread?
Here are 10 facts about COVID-19.
Number 1. So, what is COVID-19 anyway? COVID-19 is a kind of coronavirus. A coronavirus is a common virus that causes an infection in your lungs, sinuses, or upper throat, but most aren't dangerous. Coronaviruses are named after the crown-like spikes on the surface of the virus. Corona means crown in Latin. Number 2.
COVID-19 is actually a mashed up word. Co, which means corona, vi, which means virus, and d, which means disease. The 19 stands for 2019, which was when the coronavirus was discovered.
Number 3. COVID-19 is a zoonotic disease. A zoonotic disease is a disease that starts in animals and spreads to humans. The first cases of COVID-19 were in December 2019 in Wuhan, China. Number 4.
COVID-19 has spread through over 179 million people around the world, killing over 3.5 million people.
Number 5. COVID-19 is contagious, so one person can spread it to many. The reason why the virus has spread so quickly is because most people who get the virus don't have any symptoms. So everybody thinks that they're all healthy, and then they go out and socialize, which transmits the virus very fast. Number 6.
COVID-19 is spread through coughs and sneezes when the little droplets of the virus enter your body. You can also get it by touching something with the virus on it and then touching your eyes, nose, or mouth, which allows the virus to get into your body.
Number 7. Most people don't have any symptoms if they get COVID-19, but some people still do. Some symptoms of COVID-19 are fevers, coughs, shortness of breath, difficulty breathing, body aches, headaches, a sore throat, and nausea. Number 8.
The states with the most cases of coronavirus as of right now are Texas, California, Florida, and New York.
Number 9. There are currently 3 vaccines for COVID-19. The Pfizer vaccine, Moderna vaccine, and Johnson & Johnson vaccine. The Pfizer vaccine has a 95% efficiency. The Moderna vaccine has a 94.1% efficiency. And the Johnson & Johnson vaccine has a 66.3% efficiency. If you are ages 12 to 15, you can get the Pfizer vaccine. Number 10.
If you are fully vaccinated, you can go to public areas without wearing a mask or social distancing. You don't have to check before traveling or self-quarantine time after traveling. Those are the 10 facts about COVID-19.
I hope you find some of those facts interesting, and thank you for tuning in to watch AAYBN.
Keep on watching because there are some amazing programs coming up.
Bye!
Thank you, Anne and Tonya. I didn't realize that the coronavirus was named after the crown-like spikes on them.